Hey, what's up everybody? I know it's been a little while since I put a video out, and I wanted to kind of update you on where we are. Many of you know that have followed the channel and reached out to me. I'm very honest and open about everything that's happening in the business and, what's going on. So this video is going to be more unfiltered as far as it's basically going to be our perspective over the last couple weeks. So to give you a rundown, basically we had one truck that 3 weeks ago had gone in the shop with a cylinder number 2 misfire. Got it in there, they replaced the injector, said it was bad, that was like $2,800, labor and everything included. Great. Picked up the truck, started to run it, and it came back with cylinder number 3 misfire. Put it back in the shop, and that engine is currently under warranty. Now, anyone that's followed this channel for any amount of time realizes that I like warranties, I like newer vehicles, I like newer trucks. That being said, this is a 2019. It has about 540,000 miles on, all from us. When we bought the truck, it had about 3,000 miles on it. That's just from delivery. So we've owned every mile of that truck. Taking care of it, PMs are always done regularly. Basically take care of that truck as we have. So found out that the engine was still under warranty. We're like, okay, great. So they can diagnose it, do all this stuff. And it was in the shop for about 2 weeks while International was going back and forth with the technician on what to do, processes, what tests to run, all of that. Meanwhile, we're without a truck. So my brother is sitting at home, bored out of his mind, and we're not making money. They finally come back, and International gave them the go-ahead to pull the head off and kind of inspect, see what may be causing the issue. Well, they got the head off and determined that the head was bad. Don't exactly know what happened, if there was clearance issues with valves or whatever, but head was bad. So the technician calls my brother and basically says, well, the head is bad and it's not covered under warranty. So you're going to have to pick up the cost of all of the tests and all of that prior to taking the head off. So that's problem number 1. All right. So my question is, what was covered under warranty? And basically the technician said if a valve got sent through the head or if the piston would have broken or something like that, then that would have been covered. But the head is not covered under warranty. So they're still going back and forth. I guess the dealership we bought it from is maybe willing to help us out with the bill, but let me go back to where we are present. So in order to get a used head, or I should say to get the head remachined out, we're looking about $4,000 in 2 weeks. So a brand new head was $8,000. And the more I thought about it, I'm like, 2 weeks down for them to machine it out. And again, it's a remanufactured or remachined part. So the likelihood of something going wrong in the future is probably higher than an OEM part. So we made the decision to put the new head on. So a little more expensive, but it was also done in a week and we could pick it up. So where we are, the truck is done. The total overall cost was about $19,000. That's new head, that's all the work, all the testing, all that stuff. And we're still waiting. We had to put 10 down to get the truck out. We're still waiting for another company we're still waiting for the dealership to come in and see if they're going to offer us any kind of help because we bought 3 trucks from them. Now, this engine is an International engine, not a Cummins like the other 2 trucks that we have. So basically, going forward, I will never buy another International engine. It's always going to be a Cummins or something like that. And just really kind of disappointed at the warranty process because the head is an inanimate object. It doesn't have any moving parts. It's got sleeves and things like that, but you're telling me that went bad, not something else. I don't know. Anyway, we're still going through it. Let me know in the comments if you had a similar issue with warranty work or anything like that. I mean, up until this point, the warranties have been really great. Covered a lot of the work and a lot of the sensors and things like that. But, a $19,000 repair bill isn't exactly a small amount in 1 month. So again, this video is a little bit different than my other ones. I just kind of wanted to put this out there, let you know that things like this happen, even to us. If you're in the Northeast and you have some issues with your truck, maybe you need to get some repairs that you don't have the money for, or you maybe need a little more liquidity, shoot me an email. I may have some banks that lined up that I can send you to that may be able to help you. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck in the future. Until next time, have a great day.